Please subscribe and like.
Good evening. We have breaking news details in a deadly case of road rage in Salt Lake County. We are now learning how many shots were fired, along with the name of the man accused of pulling the trigger.
It all started on SR 201 early this morning, and tonight the suspect is in the Salt Lake County Jail. That's where news specialist Brian Carlson joins us live tonight on what police say led up to this violent encounter. Brian?
Yeah, Mike and Deanie, we know that that road rage this morning got so heated, one driver allegedly pulled out a handgun and shot the other driver, likely 15 times. He died right there on the freeway. And the driver, police say, shot him. 44-year-old Thomas Long is now here behind bars. All this according to court documents KSL obtained just within the last 2 hours. It says that both men were driving east there on the 201 out there this morning when the victim's truck cut off Long's SUV. Dash camera video from another car captured Long getting angry and retaliating against that truck, brake checking him and then cutting him off. The two cars appeared to intentionally crash into each other multiple times. Video shows Long forced both cars into a concrete barrier. Long then allegedly pulled out a gun, firing at the victim enough times to leave 15 shell casings there on the ground. And troopers found a handgun in a bag there on the ground as well. Now, Long allegedly told their troopers who responded that he did so out of self-defense. He says that driver went for something on his waist. Long reacted and then obviously shot him. He's now in jail here at the Salt Lake County Jail for murder, reckless driving, and aggravated assault, all under the umbrella of road rage. Live here at the Salt Lake County Jail, Brian Carlson, KSL 5 News. Back to you.